How to fix network protocol error on Minecraft TLauncher. Now I'm going to be providing you two specific troubleshooting steps and see if it works on your end. First things first is we need to do commands under your CMD or through your command prompt. Head over to your Windows icon, type in CMD, right click on your CMD software, and then in here go to run as an administrator. And here, just simply follow these command prompts that you can see on your screen, like the ipconfig //flush dus, and then followed by ipconfig renew, and then netsh winstock reset. And once everything is done, just simply exit on your CMD prompt. And then the last thing you do is go back to your Windows icon, type in control panel, open it. In here, head over directly to network and internet, and then network and sharing center. Then go to change adapter settings, click on your current network, and go to properties. Then in here, just simply locate the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP. Head over to properties, then use the following DNS server addresses. Just simply type in 8888. Now for alternate DNS server, it's going to be 88 and then 44. Hit on OK and close everything. And once everything is done, just simply restart your PC and try to relaunch your Minecraft on TLauncher. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix network protocol error on Minecraft TLauncher.